Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So today we are going to learn the text function, and we will learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So let's proceed and firstly understand what does we mean by the text function. So the text function in Salesforce is one of the text function, and it is used to do the text operation. In basic terms, the text function is used when you need to display or modify the data in the textual format. In other words, you can say that the text function is used to convert the person to number, a date or date time or currency, a pick list field type data into the text field type. So let's proceed and see its syntax, how it's working on. So here the syntax is given on your screen. You need to replace this value parameter with the specific value or the field that you want to convert it into the text format. So let's learn how we can use this text function in both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. Here I open my Salesforce account and I am in the Lightning interface. I click on the gear icon and click on the setup option to redirect to the main home setup page of the Lightning. Once I redirect here, on the top of the navigation bar, here I will get the object manager as a tab, and I click on that. Once I click on that, it will take me to the page where I will see the list of all the objects that are present here. I am going to choose the product one because I need to convert the product price into the text format and also want to concatenate one text to it. So here I am going to convert it to the product. So here I search for the product and here I click on that. Once I get it down, and now here it will need to choose me a fields and relationship option given on the left and click on the new button given on the right side. Once I click on that, it will take me to the page where I will need to choose the formula as the return type as I am going to function text to it. So here I click on the next button, and in the next step we need to enter the field label that is visible to the all the users. You need to enter it as per your requirement. So here I am going to enter it as a total product price. So here I am entering it down, and once I click anywhere on the screen, the field name get automatically populated. And here we need to choose the formula return type, with which I choose it as a text, and I click on the next button to proceed. Once I click on a next, it will let me ask to enter the formula return type. So let's enter it down. So here I click on the all function category, move to the text as a category, because this time we are going to work up with the text category, and here I am going to search for the text function. Here I get it down. I click on it to insert this function to the formula editor to insert a selected function. So now it's time to replace the text value. So here I replace the parameter. I click on the insert field, and here I am going to add a price for it. So let's add it down the price. So let's see, here I enter the product price and click on insert. Then I am going to add it down with the add operator, click by clicking on the insert operator. Then I click on a insert field again, and I am going to do it with the shipment price. I click on that and click on insert, and the next I think I am going to add the USD to it, because I want that to add a USD. For that I want to concatenate the things. So here I and is used as a concatenate operator, and I pass the USD for the concatenation in the quotation marks as a text thing. So this text function converts the result thing to the text format. It adds the things and result to give in the text format. I click on the check syntax to check that there is any error or not. There is no error. Here you can see that you can also add a description and help text if you want to add. I click on the next button, and in the next step we need to choose the profile to which you want to grant the field level editor set says. So here some of them are already selected, some of them are unselected. You can do it with the help of checking and unchecking the boxes in the visible column. I click on the next button, and here you need to choose the page layout on which you want to include that particular field. Here only one is there, and that is checked, so I click on a save. Now to check how it's working on, so I click on the app launcher, that is a 9 dot given on the left side. I click on that. Here I search for the product, so here I get it down. I click on that. I am going to edit the already existing one to let you know how it's working. So let's get open it. Here I get a one record, that is apple pie. I click on that. It will take me to its detail page. I am going to edit it by clicking the arrow and edit all the things. So I am entering the price. Here shipment charges is calculated. Shipment price is also calculated. And where are the price? I think price field is also here. The product price is also filled up. So I click on a save button, and you can see that it calculated the total product price to this much of amount and added a USD to it. So I want the result in the USD value. I want to calculate the result and give the result in the text format. So it gives me the result, the text format, and add the USD to it. Here you can see that on the shipping charges it's added the USD into the front, because it can automatically added up on basis on the currency that I have selected. And this one is resulted in the numeric format or the currency format, but this is the result in the text format, so I add the USD to the end of it. So with this we have successfully learned how we can use the text function in Salesforce Lightning. Now we will see for the classic. So I redirect to the Salesforce Classic by clicking on my profile and selecting the switch to the Salesforce Classic. Now I click on a setup to redirect to the classic setup page, and once I am here I need to scroll down to the downside. Here I click on the customize as a drop down, and I need to choose the standard object on which I want to work it on. So here I am going to show you the camping as the one, because I want to print the message about whether the upcoming camping is possible on the date or not. So here I click on that, and now I am going to scroll down to the camping custom fields and relationship, and here I am clicking on the new button, and once I click on that, here I am going to choose the formula as the field type, because I am going to use up the function, and I click on the next. So here we have to enter the field label. So I enter the field label as a upcoming camping uh, possibility. Okay, so once I click anywhere on the screen, the field name get automatically populated, and I get the result in the text format because we are using the text function, and it return the result in the text type. So I choose the text as a 1 and click on the next button. Once here I am need to create up the function that print the upcoming camping possibility based upon the upcoming date of the camping. So we have to use up the multiple functions. So let's just add me my formula, then I will explain you out. So here I enter up my formula with using a multiple functions. I click on a check syntax. There is a no syntax error. Now I will explain you out. Here basically I am passing the upcoming camping date field to the weekday function, which return the value that present the day of the week. Okay. Next I use the mode function that determines the remainder when we subtract the one from the weekday resultant value, because I want to represent the Monday as the first day of the week instead of the Sunday. Okay. Then I use the OR function that is used to check the condition, which is that if any of the one condition is true, it means that upcoming date field is on the weekend. First it checked whether the resultant value is 0. Here you can see that. Okay, if it is the date is a Sunday, that means the date is a Sunday. The second it checks that whether the resultant value is 6, that means the date is a Saturday. So after that I use the if function that check if the date is a weekend, and in it if it is, the text function is used to convert the camping date field to the text type and print the message. Here you can see that it is a weekend and not possible prior to the next date. Okay, otherwise if there is this condition is not checked, it is giving the message as a booking is possible. Okay, now I click on the next button to proceed to the next step. When I proceed to the next step, it will take me to the page where we have to choose up the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of this field via field level security, and this field will be hidden from all the profile if you don't add it to the field level security. I click on the next button without changing anything, and here you need to select the page layout that should be included this field, and the field will not be appear on any page layout if you don't select it down. So I click on a save button to completely save it. Once I click on a save, it successfully save it down. Now I move to the campings and let you know how it is working. I am going to edit the already existing one to let you know. So here I am opening it up and let you know how it's working on. So here now I am going to enter the upcoming camping date. So I enter the date as this. Let it to be a 23. Okay, and now I'm going to save it down, and once I save, let's see what is happening. You can see that it is 2023 7th of month and 22 of the date. It is a weekend, it is not possible, and you need to try it for the next date. So here we have used the text function to convert the date in the text format and print this message. So with this, we have successfully learned how you can use the text function in Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.